供在线发布数字经济。
Hi everyone, I'm Shen with Xinhua News Agency. I'm reporting from Wuzhen, East China's Zhejiang province, where the World Internet Conference Expo is held. So today, I am standing at the exhibition area. It focuses on a bunch of new technologies, applications, products, and new achievements. So, follow me on a tour to see what's new here. So, now we are at the Alibaba exhibition area, and we will have a staff to introduce us about the new technologies, products exhibited here.
Sure, no problem.
Okay, so could you please tell us what's this robot about?
So now we are actually looking at the intelligent logistic robot called Xiaomanlü. Xiaomanlü is fully developed by Alibaba's Damo Academy with the latest technology in AI and self-driving. Xiaomanlü's mission is to deliver packages safely and efficiently for the last 3 kilometers. There are 3 things of Xiaomanlü you may want to know. Firstly, it's very smart. It reacts 7 times faster than human. Secondly, it's very safe. The 5 different safety designs make sure it runs safely and smoothly on the street. Thirdly, it's very capable. It can deliver 5 packages per day. So far, Xiaomanlü has actually been utilized in dozens of campuses, universities, and communities. During the latest Double 11 shopping festival, Xiaomanlü and his crew has went into the Zhejiang University in Hangzhou, and they delivered together for 30,000 packages for students and teachers, saving 10,000 hours for them.
Okay, so you've mentioned many features about the robots. So can you just demonstrate how it works for us?
Sure, no problem. So firstly, the user needs to make an appointment on the app asking Xiaomanlü what time to deliver to which address. Once Xiaomanlü reaches the place, Xiaomanlü will actually make a call to you, and you come downstairs.
It will call us.
Yes, it will make a call to you, and you come downstairs and you enter the code, and the door will open. And you can take out your package. Once the package is out, you can actually click here to close the door.
So,
And now you can wave goodbye to Xiaomanlü.
so the whole process takes like 5 seconds.
Yeah, about right.
Okay, so and we've learned that behind these logistic robots, in fact, there are like new technologies also applied into it behind.
That's right. You can actually take a look here. So these are the 2 critical parts inside Xiaomanlü who have made it so smart. First one is HLU. It's actually a localization system which enables Xiaomanlü to be so processed to the level of a centimeter. And the second one is a computing platform which has helped Xiaomanlü to actually sense the environment in even dark environments.
Okay, so this is the technologies behind it.
Yeah, they're actually implemented in the Xiaomanlü itself.
Okay, so after the logistic robots, let's take a look at more new products and applications here. Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Nice to meet you. And could you tell us about these server, right?
Here is the 3rd generation Shenlong architecture from Alibaba Cloud. Since its birth in 2017, it has been well known in the world for its high performance and revolutionary architecture. Everybody knows the virtualization is the foundation of cloud computing, but in the meanwhile, it has caused many performance loss. So as to reduce the cost, we have invented the Xinhua architecture. It combines the agility of virtualization and the high performance of physical servers. Thus, it could transfer the workloads from the general purpose hardware to specific hardware, thus for acceleration. So, from its beginning to now, it has been born for cloud. We have seen it has been widely used and deployed in the world on Alibaba Cloud to serve our customers. Yeah.
So, in which real situation has our server been used?
In everyday use, in the daily usage everywhere, if you are a customer of Alibaba Cloud, you can benefit from its high performance and low cost. Thus, we can see the Xinhua architecture not only decrease the cost by the virtualization, thus to even it beats the performance of the bare metal machine, and at the same time it reduces the cost for our customers. Sometimes in the biggest festival online for shopping, everywhere you can use the computing power by the Xinhua architecture.
Okay, thank you. I think it's quite cutting edge, and also you mentioned it's being applied into our daily lives. As I can see from the introduction that it has already been used in the Double 11 shopping festival, right?
Yes. Not to be so humble, it has been regarded as one of the cutting-edge technologies in the cloud industry in the world, and it has many features such as high performance, high stability, high security, and high elasticity. So it has been a accumulation of over 20 years practice in Alibaba Group, and we have invested thousands of engineers in this area, thus to enhance our capability in the computing area.
Okay, thank you. And apart from our server, we have catch a glimpse of this cloud computer called Wuzhen. So, could you show us how does this cloud computer works, and what's the differences between a physical computer and a cloud computer?
Okay, let me try to explain. The cloud computer is which is unveiled by Alibaba in the September's at several conferences, and you can see this cloud computer is very thick and is very small as a name tag, and its thickness is about 6.9 millimeters. Though it is very small, when it is connected to a display and connect to Alibaba Cloud, it will become a powerful PC on which we can run both Windows and Linux applications. And each application can use at the most 104 CPU cores and 1.5 terabytes memories. The main advantage of this cloud computer over traditional personal PCs is about it can dynamically adjust the computing power based on the application you are running. And the users, there is no need for the user to upgrade their hardware if their requirement changes. And all those upgrades happens on Alibaba Cloud, and that's all transparent to the users. So, because the infinite computing power of this cloud computer, it can be not only used by personnel at home, but also can be used by governments and the enterprises. That's all.
So all we need is to use this special key, right? All we need to do is to use this special key to connect to our cloud computer, which its performance is like 10 times smarter or faster than our daily used computer, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me try to make an example. When you use personal PC to do the rendering of a very large resolution pictures, it may take 90 minutes. Then if you switch to this cloud computer, it can finish the work about 10 minutes.
Oh, it's shown right here, right?
Yes.
So thank you, and we hope that we can use this cloud computer in the near future.
Yeah. Okay. Of course.
Okay. So follow me. Let's see more new products and new technologies. So we have seen that on my left hand, this is a self-driving car. As we can see, there are many sensors on the top of the car. And we will see what's new about the car, okay? So could you briefly introduce this self-driving car for us?
Okay. This is autonomous driving a taxi, which is jointly developed by Baidu and FAW, First Auto Works. So the most obvious difference is on its roof. You can see there is a laser radar and 9 cameras with different focal lengths and 2 GPS integrated with the initial positioning system. So these sensors detect the surrounding areas and send the data back to its vehicle brain. And then vehicle brain send back the data to its control system. And this is how the autonomous driving works. Yeah.
Okay. So can we hop into the car and to feel it, to see what's looking inside?
Okay, no problem.
Okay. It looks not so different from a normal car, but as I can see from inside, there are many cameras that has been set inside. So different cameras are looking at different angles. So this one is for me, and this one is for the driver, and this one is for the road. So yeah, it feels quite comfortable sitting inside. And what do we have more at this exhibition area?
At this exhibition area, you can see the showroom. One is a smart sound box, and our colleague can introduce some products for you.
Okay. Yeah, we can see there are many new technologies that has been demonstrated here. The earpods, they told me that these earpods can be used for instant translation. It can work as your interpreter. And also we have this Baidu Brain. And many visitors here are queuing here. They are waiting for AI eye test. That is for their eye healthcare. So, as we can see, more and more visitors are flowing inside. So, we've seen many new technologies, products, and applications here. This year is very special, affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, but these new digital technology and internet has already been used in our lives, and I am sure there will be more and more new technologies coming to empower our society to become smarter and more convenient. So that's all for today's livecast. I'm Xiaosheng with Xinhua News Agency. Thank you for watching. Bye.